Eyal Waldman is the company's co-founder and CEO, joins us live now from the Tel Aviv Stock Exchange. Thanks very much for speaking to us. So that's a pretty healthy performance there, isn't it? Share price rising by more than 70% over the course of the last year. But how concerned are you about the macro waves that are coming?
You know, we do see some people more hesitant and more cautious, but you know, for us, we have a small percentage of the market we can serve. So even if the whole macroeconomics go down, Mellanox can still grow. A great example was the growth between 2008 and 2009. Most of our ecosystem went down 15–20% on their top line. Mellanox grew about 8% from 2008 to 2009. So we believe we can grow, we can take more market share, even if the macroeconomics go down.
Now, you've just been raising cash and you want to use those in investment. So tell me, how do you plan on hedging against these headwinds that are coming from the broader economic environment? That must be something that you're thinking about. Are you still going to be able to grow your way and to continue to expand the way you have done in the past, or will you have to take things back a notch?
You know, for Mellanox, what we do is we enable people to utilize more efficiently their infrastructure, both compute and storage. So we believe there's always going to be more demand for computing. People will always want to do more, faster, better. And what we do is we enable them to do it with a better return on investment. So we believe people will continue growing and deploying more compute and storage systems in the future. In terms of the cash, you know, we've decided that there may be strategic opportunities in front of us. And what we've decided to do is having $107 million will not enable us to participate or act upon opportunities if they arise. We decided to raise another $100 million, so now we're much more well-positioned to act if something does present itself. And
whereabouts are you looking? What sort of, can you be a little bit more specific?
No, we're looking for interesting stuff. There's nothing imminent, so you know, and Mellanox does not need to do any acquisition for growth. We can grow organically from the $250 million we're expected to do this year to more than $1 billion revenue. So we can grow organically. This is just in case to have a healthy cash balance sheet in terms of capabilities in the future.
And now one of your biggest customers is Hewlett-Packard, isn't it? And of course Bloomberg has just learned that HP is replacing its CEO Leo Apotheker. Tell me, how concerned are you about the impact this could have then on your business?
Yeah, you know, HP has made some announcement regarding the consumer division. Mellanox has nothing to do with consumers. We're more with the enterprise division, servers and storage within HP. So we think that we will not be significantly impacted by the transition, and we hope HP will continue and grow as a customer for us.
As the CEO of a tech company, though, do you think HP would be making the right decision if they do, in fact, oust Leo Apotheker?
You know, that's, I don't know, and I shouldn't pretend like I can advise HP what they should do with their CEO.
All right, well, let me ask you another question then about the tech sector where you are in Israel, because you do have this flourishing industry, but nevertheless, it seems as though many technology companies prefer to list on the NASDAQ. Why is that? Why is that market so much more attractive?
Well, it's a much bigger market. It's a much more sophisticated market. And you want to have access to investors such as Fidelity, Tiro, Fred Algiers, and others that have the breadth and the knowledge, and they are really very sophisticated. So it's good to have those investors, and they invest mainly in the U.S. Stock exchanges. So if a company is capable in terms of their size, transparency, and so on, they should strive to go out in the U.S. and then do dual listing here in Tel Aviv Stock Exchange.
All right. Well, thanks again for joining us. Eyal Waldman, co-founder and CEO of Mellanox Technologies. Good to talk to you.